website traffic has been slipping lately and you can't figure out why? I'll tell you exactly what's happening. Google's now answering your customers' questions right at the top of the page. It's pulling content from sites just like yours, and nobody's clicking through anymore. The old SEO playbook isn't broken, it's just incomplete. There's a new layer on top of it, and the sites winning right now are all doing the same 4 things. I call it the site method. If you want to know how to rank in AI search, this is it. In this video, I'll show you what Google's AI overview is actually looking for, the schema and content structure that gets your pages pulled in, and the offsite moves that quietly matter more than backlinks right now. Picture this. You're traveling and you want a great steakhouse. 10 years ago, you'd Google it. Scroll, click, read a few menus, pick one. Today, you ask your phone. Google's AI just tells you. One name and done. Here's what nobody's talking about. Google's AI didn't pick that restaurant because of a pretty website. It picked them for 3 reasons. The site was structured so the AI could read it, the owner had a real bio, and other websites kept mentioning them by name. The AI basically asked the internet, who do you guys keep talking about? And that's who it picked. That's the new game. Your site has to become the answer. That's what site is built to do. 4 letters, 4 moves. Site stands for credibility, infrastructure, text structure, and external mentions. Think of it like a stack. Each layer needs to be one below it to work. Perfect content doesn't matter if your site's slow. Perfect schema doesn't matter if nobody's talking about you online. So let's walk up the stack. C is for credibility. Google is paranoid about citing the wrong source, so make it obvious you're legit. Every blog post needs an author bio, a real photo, real name, real credentials, link out to your LinkedIn. That's how the AI confirms you're a real person. Attribute every post to the owner of the business, like a mini press release. No more admin or the team. Bylines, those are dead. And here's the move most people skip. Add original data. A Princeton study found that adding stats to your content boosts AI visibility by 41%. Adding source citations, up 115%. Drop a number nobody else has. Share a real client result. 1 original insight per page. That's what gets you cited instead of the 1,000 sites saying the same recycled stuff. I is for infrastructure. This is the boring technical layer, but it decides if AI can actually read your site. Page speed first. If your site is slow, AI crawlers bail. Your core web vitals need to be green across the board, no exceptions. Next is server-side rendering. This is huge, and almost nobody talks about it. About 69% of AI crawlers can't read JavaScript. So if your site renders client-side, the AI sees a blank page. That's why I put my clients on the website platform called Duda. Server-side rendering is built in, schema is auto-generated, and 82% of Duda sites pass all 3 core web vitals out of the box. Then schema markup. At a minimum, organization, person, and article schema on every post. Connect them with the same links to your LinkedIn or Crunchbase. That's the backbone the AI uses to verify you. Last thing, check your DNS settings. About 27% of business sites are accidentally blocking AI crawlers without even knowing it. T is for text structure. This is how you format your content so the AI can actually pull from it. Most sites get this completely wrong. Rule 1, question is your heading, then answer the next sentence. Not 3 paragraphs of setup, the answer right there. Why? Because 44% of AI citations come the first third of the page. Bury your answer and you don't exist. Rule 2, use tables. AI pulls from tables with 81% accuracy. From regular paragraphs, just 23%. So comparing options, listing prices, put it in a table. Rule 3, FAQ schema. Google killed the visual FAQ snippet back in May, but the AI still reads it, so keep using it. Rule number 4, self-contained chunks. Every section stands alone. No, as I mentioned above, the AI grabs 1 chunk at a time. Each one needs to make sense by itself. And keep your sentences tight, around 18 words. That's the sweet spot. E is for external mentions. This is the one that flips everything. For 25 years, the game was backlinks. Get more links and rank higher. Not anymore. Ahrefs studied 75,000 brands and found that brand mentions across the board are about 3 times more powerful than backlinks when it comes to showing up in AI reviews. 3 times. Google's AI cares more about who's talking about you than who's linking to you. Even unlinked mentions count. Your brand name in Forbes article with no link still moves the needle. 3 plays here. First, digital press releases, industry publications, podcasts, roundup articles. Doesn't matter if the link is a no-follow, the mention is still the asset. Second, local citations. If you're a local business, get your name, address, and phone number identical everywhere. The AI uses consistency as a trust signal. Third, and this is a big one, is Reddit. Google literally pays Reddit $60 million a year to license their data for AI. So get into conversations where your customers are asking real questions. Not spamming, actually helping. And one bonus, if you really want to figure out how to rank an AI search long-term, it's YouTube. It's the #1 cited domain in Google's AI overviews. 30% of all citations, more than Wikipedia. A single well-titled YouTube video can rank an AI search by itself. If you're not making video yet, that's your highest leverage move right now. Now here's the thing, is how you show up in Google's AI overview, but there's another piece of Google real estate that's still driving massive clickable traffic, the map pack. When someone searches for a local service, Google Maps pops up first, above the AI overview, above the blue links, above everything. And the business ranking there are pulling in calls every single day. I broke down exactly how to rank your business on Google Maps in my last video, the same step-by-step style as Site, just for the map pack. Click right here and I'll show you how to lock that down next.